Alright, so I'm not too sure uh I what the infinite jump issue was, but I think it had something to do with if a button was pressed while the game was starting, like right here. So yeah, right now I can't move for a second after the game starts, and then I can just move around. And to do that, I went ahead and made a game state up here, public in-room game state, and made a start and play function. I made it public just so I could see it in the inspector changing at real time. It doesn't have to be public because you can still access it from other scripts and classes, since that it's going to be public up here. But yeah, at the start of it, I just made sure to like set the game state to start. And then in the update function, like if the game state starts, then I'm gonna have like this timer right here, a start timer, and it's just gonna decrease. And once it hits 0, the game state hits play, and then once it hits play, like all of this stuff will be able to work. So I'm gonna go down here and see the start timer. It might be too small, but on the right side of the screen over here, it's at the very bottom of the player script. It's at 1, and that hits 0, and now the play state up here, or the game state went up to play state. Now the player can move. So I'm gonna just start mashing on the keyboard with the move keys. See, the player can't move, and then once it goes into play state, the player can move. And it looks like that might have fixed the infinite jump, but like it doesn't really seem like it's doing it anymore. So it wasn't the bounce pads. It was just, I think it was just something else to do with this, like a different part of the script. But I will keep monitoring that, see what happens.